All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. This is for the week of February 20th, 2023 to February 24th, 2023. So important announcements. Monday, no school. It's President's Day. Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then you're probably aware, but the mid-quarter deadline is coming up. All work must be submitted by Sunday, February 26th at 11:59 p.m. for grading. So it is quarter three, week 5. Again, there was no school. Hope you enjoyed your President's Day on Monday. Tuesday, we will review the quiz on the New Deal with the quiz of the same name in live class. Wednesday, we'll discuss the project on the New Deal brochure. Again, same project of the same name in live class. Thursday, we'll talk about the test boom and bust in live class. Again, test of the same name there in live class. And then Friday, we'll start our next chapter here about the world in flames, talking about how World War II gets started, and talk about understand the rise and spread of dictators around the world, with your key terms there: fascism, Nazi, appeasement, and Sudetenland. And your homework, the lesson, the origins of World War II. So let me know of any questions or concerns. Hope you have a great week. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.